We're on our way to Holland to see our baby, our van. Somebody gave an idea for a name, call it Darla the Dot.
Oh dear.
That's kind of cute.
I like Darla, but not Darla the Dot.
Yeah, maybe just Darla. That's a good one. Then we hear things like, Vincent van Gogh and Camper Van Beethoven. Both very good ones, but we might have a copyright thing on the Camper Van Beethoven because that's actually a band.
Oh, it is.
Who famous for the song "Take the Skinheads Bowling."
That's one all of you will know, I'm sure.
Exactly, and I'll play a little bit for you. I'll sing it to you.
Take the skinheads bowling, take them bowling. Take the skinheads bowling, take them bowling.
Frank has a really interesting knowledge of me.
Yeah.
I usually don't know who's singing or what the name of the song is, but
Right.
I like it. I know what I like.
So, anyway, we're going there. Then we're going to Wayland to see Alicia's good friend Darrin,
Yep.
and he's going to be fixing a few things on us and giving some more of his sage advice. So stick with us. We're happy you're here, and we'll talk to you later.
We all were interviewed.
Ma.
For hours we sat here and
Ma,
we
I
talked.
told you up front that there are no guarantees in this.
Hey, I have a question for our viewers. Do you lose GPS a lot on your phone when you're in more remote areas when you're traveling? Because I sure rely on it a lot. I don't like that idea.
That's a very good question. I think I would respond with, if you've got GPS to begin with, you will continue to have it. However, if you're going for GPS after you're on the road and you're way out in the stratosphere, then you won't. If it's already connected, yes. That's my thing. Okay, we'll catch up to you later, people. Love you. Bye.
Frank, I just saw a hilarious sheep back there. Well, it didn't even look like a sheep. I think it had been sheared. So it had these long, skinny legs. It looked hilarious.
Oh, well, I've got a question. When people have lamb chops, is it actually a lamb or a sheep?
And is
A sheep chop.
So is a lamb,
Yes,
or
it is.
are all sheep lambs?
No, I think lamb is a lamb, a baby sheep, like a calf is a baby cow.
Well, that's
So
true.
wondering if they had sheep chop, sheep chop, say that. Anyhow,
Sheep chops, that's hard to say.
I think that kind of meat is much more sinuous or tough and be hard to gnaw through. So yes, they probably kill baby sheep or lambs.
I've only tasted lamb once, and I don't intend to ever eat it again if that's the case.
Okay, here we are at our storage place. Quite fancy.
I really like that it's gated. That makes it feel safer, doesn't it?
Yes, it's a gated community, in case you didn't know.
Don't let anyone see our code.
I'm not even filming it, dear, but I should. There you go. And yes, there's the guy who's putting boxes of cocaine in the back of his car.
When I know I have to be in the right lane 2 miles down the road, I get in it then. I don't wait for the 2 miles. I want to be in the right lane that I'm going to have to turn.
Really? Because you always told me, look, you're doing it too soon because you got 2 miles. Or do you mean in this van?
In this, because of the visibility issues. I say that to you?
Yeah, we're going to Detroit, and I wanted to get into the other lane, and you said, no, we got, 1.5 miles yet.
That doesn't sound like me.
It's you.
Oh boy. Right. And I don't know if that's okay to do that or not.
Turn the inverter off, or
I turned that.
Well, the inverter
switch.
goes on automatically, I thought.
I turned that switch to off to get the heat to quit blowing, because the heat never cut off.
Hey, Carl, you remember this has a bypass on it? Yeah, it does.
For the water heater?
Yep.
I can't find that one. Oh, that's fair. It hurt my head. Wow, it looks so much bigger, doesn't it? Really pretty. Toilet and everything. so different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I like seeing all the variations.
Yep. Got the little refrigerator in the back, so just a little kitchenette
Right.
in the back, you know.
Very cute.
Nice.
I'm sorry. So unique.
Yeah.
I'm going to do an Air Force thing, because my dad was in the Air Force during Vietnam.
What would that be?
It's going to be like battleship gray, the rivets on it, and the Air Force logo, and then like the teeth on the side, the fighter jet teeth, you know, something like that.
Right.
Something like that is what I have in mind.
Okay, we got a lot done here. We got something fixed with the zippy line. What's that thing called?
Oh, our
Awning. We got that taken care of. Got a new thermostat. Got the fog light fixed. I was able to fix the steering wheel by myself.
yes.
And we got to talk and
Got to see Darrin.
Yep.
I think Darrin's wonderful.
he is. He's a good guy.
I've never seen customer service like his.
Go see Darrin at DNL in Wayland, Michigan.
Okay, now you got to find our way back to Holland.
The way back to Holland. I think you just kind of go the way we came. So, we have just had a meal at Culver's. Maybe you can see it over there. Culver's. And no, we did not film it for you because cameras are not allowed in there. And even though we're famous stars, YouTube stars, as you know, they would not let us film in Culver's. Oh, everybody. I'm going to take a big freaking bite. But no. So anyway, we enjoyed that. Lisa, you enjoyed that?
It was very good. I had a Reuben.
She had a Reuben. Oh, she just broke one of her laws.
I did.
She went over the double red.
I had a car pass.
Oh, you know what I saw yesterday? I'm going to film this too because what the hell? Might be something good. I'm going to tell you a story. Yesterday, I'm on Henry Street, heading not towards Sherman, but the opposite way. And there was a cop ahead of me. He cuts through Midas. He cuts through Midas. I'm waiting. I'm looking at him. I'm watching him. He cuts through Midas, and he's sitting there like for a good several minutes because there's a car in front of him. As soon as that car turns, he turns. Like, what an asshole.
So
really?
He cut the corners.
He cut the corner. He should have been pulled over. Citizen's arrest. That's right.
No blink or no lights on indicating he had an emergency.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, I'll just cut through here. Well, now I got to sit here and wait a little bit, and I might have been better sitting at the corner there and turning, but oh no, I'm the law. Yes, I am.
Well, I'm going to take the other side. Most policemen follow.
Yeah, but this one didn't. He should be arrested
He's given them a
and prosecuted to the full extent of the law.
Which would be a ticket, probably.
Be a ticket and a slap on the wrist saying, "Don't do it again, officer."
There you go.
That's right. Okay.
Rant
No.
over.
Okay, so yeah, that's my rant. We didn't really do too much of anything today. I'm wondering about even putting this out, but since I'm talking here and Alicia's listening and I'm so freaking funny,
It can't be on our channel.
people need to know
You have a potty mouth?
that I have a potty mouth.